A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Chetan Shivakumar from Times of India. For Randrupi.
ಸುಮಾರು 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಿರಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಬಾವಿಗಳಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ದಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರನ್ ನಡೆಯೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಗಲೀಜು ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಿಸಾಕೋದಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮರ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋದಷ್ಟೇ, ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಉಳಿಸಿ, ನೀವು ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವು ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ 2 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ವಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಣ್ಣದು ಒಂದು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮೈಸೂರು ಪೇಟ with the Mysore silk. And the pride of Karnataka, sandalwood, ladies and gentlemen.
And he has been a tall figure in the support, defense and patronage of Kabban Park. Under his patronage, we have rejuvenated wells at Kabban Park. 7 wells have been rejuvenated thanks to the TCS World 10K Bengaluru. And it is a thankless job that he does in protecting the park. There are so many things he's had to fight over the years, he has told me. It is a thankless job that he does, and he does it completely honorary. I think, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Sri Umesh. And to your entire team, heartiest congratulations, and continue to bless you and your team to do the good work that they are doing.
Joining us any moment. And as he joins us in this hall, I would request all of you to please give him a warm welcome with a standing ovation, and he's going to be joining us any moment now. Now that we're talking about philanthropy, of course, I just wanted to give you a quick update as to all of the charities that were part of our TCS World 10K Bengaluru 2025. There was one very prominent figure who was running our TCS World 10K Bengaluru 2025, and that was our Member of Parliament, Mr. Tejasvi Surya. And he was supporting Youth for Seva, which is a nationwide movement rooted in the spirit of service. They empower young Indians to give back to society with over 1.7 lakh volunteers, and they've already touched 2.8 million lives across 11 states. So could we have a huge round of applause for Youth for Seva? And if I could request all of you to please stand up, let's give a standing ovation and a very, very warm welcome to our Honorable Governor of Karnataka, everyone.
Governor of Karnataka, respected Shri Thawarchand Gehlot ji, dignitaries from all walks of life, partners, sponsors, and friends. It is my absolute privilege to be here before you at the Philanthropy Awards evening for the TCS World 10K Bengaluru. My thoughts go back to about 18 years ago when we launched this event. and there was no running culture. We came here at the invitation of the government of Karnataka, then Chief Secretary Shri Sudhakar Raoji. And in 18 short years, what this event has achieved is nothing short of being remarkable. For this, my deepest thanks to the government of Karnataka, to the title sponsor TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, who took a huge step of faith with us to sponsor this journey. 2008, ladies and gentlemen, was a landmark year. It also brought TCS into running globally. And today, as many of you know, Tata Consultancy Services is the lead sponsor of the major marathons and races across the world. To see our Indian flag flying high in New York, in London, in Sydney, is something, nothing, it just, even today when I talk about it, I just get filled with a sense of pride. Hats off to TCS and to our... This is not a common function, and I have not seen this across other events, including majors. Many of the majors in the world raise monies for a cause, but I tell you this, nobody celebrates the people behind the NGOs and the people and the individuals and the corporates that have raised the monies like we do. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a very, very special evening. We celebrate those who ran for another. It is truly heartening to see society come forward. This tryst and pact that we have with social giving, India gives very easily to religious temples and functions. Giving to civil society organizations has to be the bedrock of growth in society. And it's events like the TCS World 10K that foster this giving. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for yourselves. To all the CSOs, all the NGOs, all the corporates, all the individuals who put their best foot forward for someone less fortunate, this is the evening where we recognize them, we celebrate them, and we honor them. And we have no one better than His Excellency, the Governor of Karnataka, to do this, who also flagged off the TCS World 10K Bengaluru on 27th of April 2025. Sir, thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you so much. We have the Indian Army with us. It's our proud privilege that the Indian Army is our host. The Field Marshal Manekshaw Parade Ground is where the TCS World 10K begins and ends. And we have Brigadier Ranjit Alva with us, the Deputy GOC Karnataka and Kerala sub-area. Ranjit sir, thank you so much for being there with us. We are so proud. We are so proud to be there with you and celebrate this landmark facility you have. That's really a tribute to our country and to the great man that Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw was. So thank you so much for that. To all our partners, led by IDFC First Bank, our host, our wonderful host, the ITC Windsor Manor, and to each and every one of you, thank you so much for being here with us. We are truly privileged and honored to have each one of you here. And we want to see this grow from strength to strength, because it's when public-private partnership comes together like this, can society succeed. And this is one of the greatest beacons of public-private partnership. So thank you so much. A big God bless.
We try to explain it in words. I think we can showcase the same through an AV. So could we have the AV, please?
ಹೊಡೆದಾಕುವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಲವ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಿದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೈಯ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ನನ್ನೆದೆಯ ಮುಗಿದು ನೋಡು ನರನಾಡಿಗಳ ಕನ್ನಡ
Esteban at 31 minutes after 6 seconds.
How many people have come together to make this possible. I definitely got to see behind the scenes, something that I don't normally get to see, and just see the hard work and dedication that the people have put on to make this event possible.
Paul, your champion of the 2025 TCS will take you up to Bengaluru, a new event record for the Indian men.
मॉर्निंग वॉक कर रहा था तब से हजारों की संख्या में उत्साहपूर्वक वातावरण में इस कार्यक्रम में इस आयोजन में भाग ले रहे थे। ये प्रसन्नता का विषय है और खेलो इंडिया फिट इंडिया के लिए ये अहम आयोजन है।
A great moment for Bangalore. Everyone come and participate in the spirit of love to the sports and cleaner the city.
ProCam India has been organizing 10K event in Bangalore for the last 17 years. This year also, this has been organized in a big way. More than 30,000 people have participated.
It's a major platform for us to showcase and just to participate and enjoy the feel of running on the streets of Bangalore.
ಅಂದಿಗೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. What a fantastic video. And thank you Pallavi. Like always, you have been doing a phenomenal job this evening. Presence of the Honorable Governor of State of Karnataka, Shri Devarchand Gehlotji, the dignitaries from the Indian Army, the other dignitaries around us here this afternoon. It's truly humbling and truly great to be standing in this philanthropic award evening in TCS World 10K 2025 edition. Just building on few things that Vivek mentioned about our association with runs and sporting events globally. We are the proud title sponsors and technology sponsors of many iconic races across the globe, including 5 of the 7 Abbott World Marathon majors, including TCS New York City Marathon, London Marathon, Sydney Marathon, and so on. 10 of TCS's partner marathon features in the list of top 50 marathons across the globe, and the top 3 podium finishes again is credited to TCS, which is TCS London Marathon, TCS New York City, and Schneider Electric Paris Marathon. That has been our latest partnership. In 2024 alone, and I just wanted to also let you all know that we not just impact the health and wellness of people and the society, but the kind of impact we are making on the economies of the cities and countries where the runs happen. The top 50 marathons contributed $5.2 billion to their local economies, while raising $425 million for charitable causes. And the impact of TCS partner ecosystem is very, very significant. The Brand Finance report says that the marathon sponsored by TCS has generated $2.25 billion impact on the local economies where we have hosted these races. And also, TCS has been successful in having an impact of raising $275 million for a charitable causes across all the races where we have been involved. And we also try to attribute the brand of TCS, which has grown So if I have to just take an example of the emergence of TCS World 10K Bengaluru compared to TCS as a overall from brand value point of view, in 2010 we were a $2.1 billion company, and in 2025, just a decimal there, we are a $21.3 billion organization. So we have also grown along with TCS World 10K in the journey. So it's such a humbling experience and great moment of pride for all of us to be here. And in this edition of TCS World 10K, we have collectively, thanks to all of you, raised 3.83 crore rupees, directly benefiting 75 NGOs working across vital sectors, including healthcare, education, women empowerment, disability inclusion, and the environment. Since 2008, the event has helped raise a whopping 59.02 crores in charity, reinforcing its position as South India's largest philanthropic platform in sports and its enduring role in driving positive change. So that is TCS World 10K for you, ladies and gentlemen. The participation from all of you this year, I am given to understand we had 250 individual fundraisers and more than 35 corporate partners who have stepped forward, and hats off to your amazing resilience, commitment and belief and your drive to make some significant and positive change in the community. One of the most inspiring elements of the event was the presence of beneficiaries in Champions with Disability category, enabled by NGOs such as Association of People with Disabilities, Adventures Beyond Barriers, Provision India, which reminds us that inclusion is not just a theme, but a commitment in itself. At TCS, this partnership is truly valued, and TCS World 10K race, the video all of us saw, from TCS side, this has been the largest participation that TCS, its family members and clients together have participated post the great pandemic. This is the largest participation that we have seen. And the numbers also that you saw, 34,000 plus runners, it is truly, truly significant. Last but definitely by no means least, we thank our philanthropy partner 8Bs. I'm sure you will get a lot to hear from her this afternoon. Our NGO collaborators, our corporate teams, volunteers, every single individual who has contributed to make this particular race such a great one. We look forward to remain deeply committed to amplify this movement like Vivek has been talking about. And any of these things that we spoke over, or I spoke over last 5 minutes, wouldn't have been possible without the amazing partnership we have with Procam International. So Vivek, Anil and everybody involved, a lot of them in the background doing tremendous work, and we stay committed to not only support in having a world-class sporting event, but also be a silent partner in the sustained force for social good. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great evening.
It's great that somebody is recognizing us. And she happens to be one of the top individual young fundraisers at the age of 6. So you ask her. Thank you everybody for having us here. Thank you, Honorable Governor. It's a pleasure to be here with you in the room. And thank you to Procam for having us here 3 years in a row. 8P started 5 years ago with the aim of spreading kindness, and I think Bangalore, Procam and TCS has given us this opportunity, and we have in the last 3 years in Bangalore seen the philanthropy double. The first year I came here, our total gathering was about 1 crore, and as you will see the numbers when we unveil this year that where we have reached. What is more than the amount of money is the number of beneficiaries who are actually going to benefit by these numbers. And again, First year was 75,000, and this year we are expecting the beneficiaries to be about 90,000. So 90,000 people will be benefited from the amount that has been collected this year. And what has really been motivating this year for us especially has been the way the individual fundraisers have upped their game. And I have to mention here that most of the runners, most of the individual fundraisers have actually been runners. And why I'm mentioning this is because it just shows how the sport, how the running is evolving. And as one of our runners, Mr. Gautam, says that I no longer look at how many kilometers I'm running. I look at the numbers that I'm clocking at the end of my collection. So, and that is something which has been, we are seeing year on year with the top 3 runners and top 3 individual fundraisers this year collecting almost 40 lakhs, and that's a huge applause to all of them. I would also like to mention our young champions. We had for the first time 25 young champions under the age of 18. And these started from the age of 2 to 18, and 25 of them together have collected almost 27 lakhs. So again, a huge applause to these young leaders who have unwaveringly changed. And as you saw, she's so excited to be here, and this is the spirit. I'm hoping she'll continue for the rest of her life. We again saw this year 75 NGOs coming together. It was a pleasure to have all of them. Some of them were returning NGOs, some were new NGOs. And together, the spirit that they came in with, and then the 35 corporates and the 250 individuals, as Mr. Deshpande mentioned earlier, they supported them. The causes have grown. One thing that I want to mention is that when I look at the running and the causes that it supports. Last year we had a tennis court being built. This year we were raising for World T20 for the visually impaired. Why I'm mentioning this here is because it's amazing that one sport can actually support all the other sports. Too many sports in that. But yes, that's again the power, that how we are all here together without any inhibitions, raising for the causes that matter the most. With that, I would like to thank everybody, and we hope that we can continue with this and go step by step as we were expecting earlier. I wasn't sure about that. Okay, so this year's total collection has been 3.83 crores. And for this, I would like to thank the entire Bangalore, and especially the fundraisers and the corporates who came out and supported. Also the top-up donation which happened behind the scenes when people were registering. Thank you each one of you for making this number, and it's my pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for WS Atkins India.
Contributor in the corporate sector, and I also would like to have this, it's my employees from ASM Technologies who took part here, and then it is because of their enthusiasm, I think we are here to accept this award. Thank you so much.
Consulting Engineers India Private Limited. A big round of applause for him, please.
It's actually a privilege to just be standing here in front of so many wonderful achievers. So this is, I mean, I'm not sure if you can call it an award, but more of a recognition, because all of us who raise funds, we already got our awards when we could help our NGOs. So that's something which we believe. Right? So I've been supporting a team of Nomita from Gubachi, who are doing a fantastic job in terms of helping underprivileged get their educations, right? So special thanks to ProCam, who've kind of initiated this across India, right? Wherein they are giving us a platform not just to run for speed, but to run for a purpose, right? That's something which is a great thing from a runner's point of view. So what I've realized during the philanthropy journey is, right, so philanthropy is not just about raising funds or donating money. It's also about shifting our mindsets and realizing the privileges we have, and take some small actions in whatever step we can do, right? That's what it is all about. So it's also when we run, right, I'm just hoping, last year, I think this year we have added more people who are raising funds. So we just hope that a lot of runners and corporates come together, not just to run fast, but maybe to run with a purpose, right? Because see, all said and done, as an individual or as a community, the biggest, the powerful legacy we can leave behind is not really the medals or milestones, right? It's about how many lives we changed, what impact we created, and how many beliefs we restored, right? That's what it is. So thank you again, and hoping that we do much more in the coming years.
They're already leading the way. The young leaders, Abigail, believes all the small steps make big changes and wants to help her little friends who do not have a home or school to go to. A bigger round of applause for Abigail, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, a bigger round of applause for Tia Bali. In his words, he says, I run because I fundraise because I run. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Sudhir Shetty. He admires the way reaching hands approaches supporting and raising children with dignity, with intention, and not just survival. Congratulations. Medal and finish lines lose their thrill, but raising 12 lakhs that can save 8 babies, that's something he'll carry forever. Let's have a round of applause. With the vision of creating more Olympians and Paralympians for the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Go Sports is also the highest fundraising NGO in the cost category of arts, culture and sports at the 2025 edition. They are also the highest fundraising NGO in the cost category of education at the 2020 Reaching Hands. Giving us his unwavering support. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our Honorable Governor of Karnataka, Shri Tavarchand Gehlotji. If I could request all of our dignitaries to please join us on stage for unveiling the event docket, ladies and gentlemen. We of course have Dr. Vivek Chambly also joining us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a bigger round of applause for TCS World and
इस समारोह में उपस्थित आदरणीय श्री सुनील देशपांडे जी, आदरणीय श्री विवेक सिंह जी, इवेंट स्पॉन्सर्स एवं पार्टनर्स, इस समारोह में सम्मानित महानुभाव, सम्माननीय अतिथि एवं मीडिया के महानुभाव, मैं आप सबको सादर नमस्कार करता हूं और आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत। कर्नाटक प्राचीन काल से ही ज्ञान, विज्ञान और संस्कृति की भूमि रहा है। आज खेलों के क्षेत्र में भी एक नई पहचान बना रहा है। कर्नाटक राज्य का बेंगलुरु शहर आईटी और नवाचार की राजधानी के साथ साथ खेलों की राजधानी भी बनता जा रहा है। यह व्यापक रणनीति, समर्पण और दूरदर्शिता का परिणाम है। TCS वर्ल्ड 10 के बेंगलोर मैराथन, प्रो कबड्डी और IPL जैसे आयोजनों ने यह सिद्ध किया है कि यह शहर खेल की ऐसी संस्कृति को आत्मसात कर रहा है जिसमें फिटनेस, भागीदारी और सामूहिक ऊर्जा का समावेश है। TCS वर्ल्ड 10 के आज यह केवल प्रतिस्पर्धा नहीं रह गया है, अब यह बेंगलुरु की पहचान बन चुका है। एक ऐसी पहचान जो पूरी दुनिया को यह संदेश दे रहा है कि यह शहर दौड़ता है, जागता है और जीवन को जीवंतता से जीता है। 27 अप्रैल 2025 को TCS 10 के बेंगलुरु में 17वें संस्करण का सफलतापूर्वक आयोजन किया गया। इसमें 37 देशों का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हुए 27,000 से अधिक धावकों ने दौड़ में भाग लिया। यह दौड़ देश ही नहीं, दुनिया की बड़ी दौड़ों में से गिनी जाने लगी है। यह हम सभी के लिए गर्व की बात है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, यह अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खेल आयोजन का एक अद्वितीय चैरिटी मॉडल को भी प्रस्तुत कर रहा है। इस बार रुपये 3 करोड़ 83 लाख करोड़ से ज़्यादा की राशि जुटाई गई है, जिससे कई और गैर सरकारी संस्थाओं और जरूरतमंदों की मदद की जा रही है। सबसे खुशी की बात यह है कि हमारे युवाओं ने अकेले ही 28 लाख रुपए से ज़्यादा की राशि जुटाकर प्रशंसनीय कार्य किया है। TCS वर्ल्ड 10 के बेंगलुरु फिलांथ्रोपी अवार्ड सिर्फ एक स्पोर्ट इवेंट नहीं है, यह बेंगलुरु की ऊर्जा, एकजुटता और समाज के लिए कुछ करने की भावना को दर्शाता है। यह लोगों को जोड़ती है, उन्हें एक साथ लाकर समाज के लिए अच्छा करने की प्रेरणा देती है। इस प्रकार के आयोजन हमें याद दिलाते हैं कि कॉर्पोरेट जगत एवं सामाजिक संगठन भी समाज के स्वास्थ्य और सामूहिक उत्थान के लिए कितनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा रहे हैं। आज इस मंच से खेल गतिविधियों को बढ़ावा देने वाले जिन महानुभावों को सम्मानित किया गया है, मैं सभी सम्मानितों को बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और आशा करता हूं आप इसी प्रकार खेल गतिविधियों को बढ़ावा देते रहेंगे और सक्रिय रहेंगे। कर्नाटक सरकार ने खेल अधोसंरचना का विकास करते हुए विश्व स्तरीय खेल सुविधाओं की नींव रखी है। युवा खिलाड़ियों को वैज्ञानिक प्रशिक्षण देने के लिए विशेष केंद्र स्थापित किए हैं। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रतियोगिताओं के लिए विशेष तैयारी कराई जा रही है। सरकार और निजी संस्थाओं की साझेदारी से सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस जैसे प्रयोगों ने कई प्रतिभाओं को पंख दिए हैं। कर्नाटक की युवा सशक्तिकरण एवं खेल नीति खेलों को कैरियर के रूप में अपनाने को प्रोत्साहित कर रही है। राज्य ने अमृत स्पोर्ट ग्रोथ योजना जैसी महत्वपूर्ण योजनाएं लागू की है, जिनमें युवा खिलाड़ियों को प्रतिभा के आधार पर विशेष सहायता दी जाती है। इसके साथ ही खेलो इंडिया और फिट इंडिया जैसी राष्ट्रीय योजनाओं को भी राज्य में प्रभावी ढंग से लागू किया जा रहा है। बेंगलुरु जैसी तकनीकी राजधानी में स्पोर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रयोग बढ़ रहा है। वेरेबल एडवाइजरी सर्वाइव डिवाइसेस, परफॉर्मेंस एनालिटिक्स और AI बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग टूल्स के प्रयोग से खिलाड़ी अपनी फिटनेस और रणनीति में निरंतर सुधार कर रहे हैं। राज्य में कई स्टार्टअप भी इस दिशा में नवाचार कर रहे हैं। भारत सरकार ने नई राष्ट्रीय खेल नीति 2025 तैयार की है, जिसका लक्ष्य भारत को एक वैश्विक खेल महाशक्ति के रूप में स्थापित करना है और उद्देश्य भारत को अग्रणी खेल राष्ट्र बनाने की दिशा में एक परिवर्तनकारी मार्ग स्थापित करना है तथा 2047 तक भारत को खेलों के मामले में दुनिया के शीर्ष 5 देशों की सूची में शामिल करवाना है। इस नई खेल नीति ने देश भर में केवल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और खिलाड़ियों के प्रदर्शन के समग्र विकास को दिशा मिलेगी। आइए हम सब मिलकर यह संकल्प लें कि इस गति को और तेज करेंगे, खेलों को जीवन शैली अपनाएंगे और एक स्वच्छ, सशक्त और ऊर्जावान भारत के निर्माण में सहभागी बनेंगे। मैं कामना करता हूं कि TCS वर्ल्ड 10 के बेंगलुरु इसी तरह हर साल समाज को जोड़ता रहे और जरूरतमंदों की सेवा करते रहे। मैं एक बार फिर से जिन्होंने उत्कृष्ट कार्य किया है, इस आयोजन में योगदान दिया है, उनको सम्मानित करने के लिए गर्व महसूस कर रहा हूं और उनको फिर से बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। मैं टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज, IDFC, वर्क बैंक और प्रोकेम इंटरनेशनल को इस आयोजन को सफल बनाने के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Dhanyavad. And a heartfelt gratitude and thank you to our Honorable Governor of Karnataka, Shri Gelot ji,